tamasa cherry blossom kabla sang hinin ka si thoding kala khring ki paidbah na kaleng ka jala bat wat na bar ka jala bat ki bana bari kumju hadu ba kamadan kur kalang kala dap smam da ki paidbah kabla wan ra ru ka dheng kali ka bajur surak shillong bypass ka surak ban poi sha ka te ka chaka akate ka tamasa la wan ru ban saki do joy tira ditya Sindhya mentri ka dona ukan rat sama menteri rangba ka jala bat kiwe ki menteri bat ki hiat sarkar ka jala ukan rat sama ulong pakom ka sarkar ka angnu ban kentiu ya ka jala sya ka perthai bat ka jingïadei bat ka ri japan ka long ka ba kham karpang ba kiri ka perthai kentip syapang ka jala meghalaya ka kolsha bat ha ka tek tamasa la buru wat ya ka japan arena ban pen inam ya ki bam ki kolsha tenrai kaput ka tem bat kiwe ha ka te ka miet la pen hu ru ya ka madan kur kalang da ki nong ruai ba pau nam ka perthai kumu ekon boniam bat kiwe
To thank our partners from Japan for partnering with us to make this particular arena and take the festival in fact to a new level and make it very special, and this partnership is really special for us, so thank you so much. And now I'd like to request our Honourable Minister to kindly declare this arena as open.
So Conrad, his lovely wife Chandni ji, and our Chief Secretary Saab and our partners from Japan. It's great to be here in Meghalaya, great to be here in Shillong, and just to see this vibrancy and this energy. I'm really glad that the Cherry Blossom Festival today is taking on new manifold proportions. I'd like to thank Japan for their relationship, warm, close, familial with India, and here's another expression of it. So I'd love to declare the Japan arena in the Cherry Blossom Festival open, and wish you guys a wonderful evening and 2 days in the Cherry Blossom.